Hello ditsala and welcome back to my channel. It is October, which is on YouTube, Vlogtober. So I figured I show you some of the vlogs I just have not put up. I hope you enjoy this voiceover style. I lost a lot of the footage, but I do think that you may enjoy what you are about to see. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please like, comment, share and subscribe, and of course, do enjoy. Okay, ditsala, it is an early morning flight. I am extremely hungover, but I am super excited. It is my birthday and we are going to the Kruger. Hi guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Let me take this off. Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. It has been a while since I've checked in. Good to see you guys. Taking you on a trip to the Kruger. Excuse that noise. It's my birthday, so I decided let me go into the bush, do something new, and I'm excited to show you around. It is a 5.5 hour drive, so we rented this cute little 4x4 from Avis, and yeah. And so the trip began. We drove 4.5 hours from Johannesburg to Mpumalanga to Beck's Safari Lodge. As I told you, we've lost quite a bit of the footage, unfortunately, but we did a lot of safaris and we did a lot of eating. They had fantastic food and beautiful sunsets, beautiful sightings. I really, really enjoyed the fact that I got to see my cats because that's what we go to the Kruger for. It was magical. It was magical.
Ooh, now he's looking at us. Still hiding behind the bushes though. It's kind of like, oh, peekaboo, you can't see me.
Every morning and every evening for 3 days straight, you'd find me on a safari vehicle searching for a cat. I'd seen my lion, but I really wanted to see my leopard. Okay, what are we having?
So this evening on the menu we've got a couple of vintage drafts. Apart from that, some of them ordered Smirnoff Spin, we've got some iced tea, and then of course red wine.
Perfect.
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Now it's a different one.
Come on guys, let's be honest. It would not be a vacay if I was not in my bikini with a bottle of bubbles. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Mwah.